pork chop, as we call it, first, kind of tax it. It's a pretty funny program. You gotta know all the angles, push, pull, stuff like that. We used to do.
So that's the left side.
We used to do this first down here. We changed it up, so we're doing these first now. We does half of that. Got the gang all the way around. That's half of that one. Is it only one side that's breaking,
Right
or
side is broke twice, it's the back pin. This one it holds
there we do that? I don't know why that did that. I didn't like that. I see something in my program that somebody changed.